Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Silvia Ramadanti. In this video, I will tell you how to determine the level of vitamin C in lime sample by iodometric titration. Have a goal for determining the level of vitamin C, ascorbic acid in lime sample by iodometric titration. Definition: vitamin C is type of water-soluble vitamin and has an important role in warding off various diseases and various free radicals. The vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid. Iodometric titration is a redox titration that involves the titration of iodine produced in reaction with a standard solution of sodium thiosulfate. Tools: stirring rod for use, mixed chemical and liquid for laboratory. Volume pipette for use, take liquid with a certain volume with higher accuracy. Burette for use, drop a number of liquid reagent in experiment that certainly require precision. Measuring pipette for use, moving liquid of solution into container of varying volume size. Iodometer for use, a place for the solution to be titration. Bulb pipette for use, result and entry and exit of the solution. Tissue for use, clean up to spoiled solution. Spray bottle for use, a water storage. Clamp for use, place to store the burette. Napkin for use, clean workbench. Stative for use, place to store the burette. Ingredients: aqueous, lime, kalium iodide solution, starch solution, natrium thiosulfate solution, kalium iodide 10% solution, iodine solution, and sulfuric acid solution. Step by step. Firstly, wear a lab coat and complete personal protective equipment to stay safe while the practicum in progress. Then, prepare the tools and ingredients that will be used. Make sure the tools used have been washed and direct first. 1. Standardization of sodium thiosulfate solution with potassium iodide solution. Pipette 10 ml of potassium iodide solution, then put into the iodometer. Add 5 ml of 10% potassium iodide solution. Add 2 ml of sulfuric acid solution. Titrate with sodium thiosulfate solution until light yellow. Add 1 ml starch solution. Titrate again with sodium thiosulfate solution until the blue color disappears. Do it in duplicate and record the result. 2. Standardization iodine solution with sodium thiosulfate. Pipette 10 ml iodine solution, then put into the iodometer. Titrate with sodium thiosulfate solution until light yellow. Add 1 ml starch solution. Titrate again with sodium thiosulfate solution until the blue color disappears. Do it in duplicate and record the result. 3. Determination of vitamin C level in lime with standard iodine solution. Lime. Wash the squeezed to get the water. Pipette 10 ml sample lime, then put into the iodometer. Add 6 ml sulfuric acid solution. Add 1 ml starch solution. Titrate with iodine solution until blue. Do it in duplicate and record the result. Conclusion: according to healthy in 97 grams of lime, there are 20 calories. 7 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of fat, 22% of vitamin C, 1 gram of fiber, 2% of iron, calcium, vitamin B6, and thiamine. Thank you.